In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The efforts towards economic self-sufficiency and new facilities for industrialists by the Minister of Industry and the Afghanistan Pashto Company. Afghanistan's Disaster Management Authority stresses the use of modern technologies for better disaster management. And 20,000 sailors and nearly 2,000 ships stranded in the Straits of Hormuz. Welcome to our news package. It's Monday, the 17th of Zulqa'dah al-Haram 1447, the 14th of Sur 1405, and the 1st of May 2026. The news details. Mullah Abdul Haq Hamkar, the Chief Executive Officer of the Afghanistan Pashto Company, held talks with Maulvi Nuruddin Azizi, the Minister of Industry and Commerce, regarding the requirements on electricity infrastructure services needed for the development of the country's industrial sector. During the meeting, Maulvi Hamkar referred to his recent visit to Central Asian countries and expressed optimism about their cooperation with Afghanistan in the field of electricity and energy. Meanwhile, the Minister of Industry and Commerce welcomed Pashto Company's assurances regarding the provision of electricity to industrial sectors and pledged to create new facility for industrialists in pursuit of the self-sufficiency. Mullah Nuruddin Turabi, the head of the National Disaster Preparedness Authority, met with Hena Rose, the DRC program official, along with her accompanying delegation. Based on the authority, Maulvi Turabi emphasized the importance of utilizing modern technologies, particularly drones, for improved disaster management and the identification of the victims. He also called for organizations' cooperation in preventive project and humanitarian assistance efforts. The news continuation. The Ministry for Promotion of Virtue, Prevention of Vice and Hearing of Complaints expressed that 18 cases of dispute and hostilities have been resolved peacefully across 8 provinces of the country. In accordance with the Ministry, the dispute stemmed from family disagreement, ethnic conflicts and inheritance issues and were settled through mediation efforts by the Minister's official, resulting in reconciliation and mutual understanding. And ultimately, the International Maritime Organization IMO has announced that since the outbreak of the US and Israel war against Iran, more than 20,000 sailors along with nearly 2,000 vessels have become stranded in the Strait of Hormuz. According to the organization's report, the vessels include oil and gas tankers, commercial cargo ships, and tourist vessels. The organization further stated since the beginning of the conflict, at least 19 attacks on ships have been taking place, leaving at least 10 sailors dead and 8 others injured. Meanwhile, the IMO has urged all parties involved in the conflict to de-escalate attacks in order to ensure the safe passage of the stranded seafarers. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.